Morning. Today's trade idea is Twitter TWTR. It's in uncharted territories right now. The market did not like their most recent earnings release because of decelerating growth rates, basically. I think there's a bunch of different scenarios here, so I'm going to kind of walk you through the potential patterns that I'm looking for and ways that I would trade if those patterns unfold. So taking a look at the chart, what we saw was the initial down move through 40. There was a bunch of buying here in the mid-39s, but eventually it started to hold below 39. If we kind of zoom in on a 5-minute, what we see is it was very steady kind of once it came below 39. This morning I'm looking for kind of a retracement back up into this area, 38.50 to 39, to really get more aggressive with the shorting. In the meantime, I'm using this 36.80, which is supported in the pre-market, as a potential bounce spot. I bought a little bit actually in front of 37 here. If it dropped that right on the open and held this 36.80, I'd look to buy a little bit more aggressively, and I'd be selling into 38, into this kind of resistance zone. I'd flip it back to short. Normally when I give these ideas, it's pretty much looking for something kind of simple. In this case, because it's in uncharted territories and there's going to be a lot of people pushing back and forth, I wanted to give you a couple of ideas in terms of potential scenarios. My favorite scenario, if this unfolds, would be actually a flush all the way down below $36 into the 35s. I think that would create the environment for a nice reaction, 2 to 3 point up move. Kind of something similar to what we saw yesterday in Triple D when it took out that longer term support at 44, went down to about 43.5, and then we saw that nice 2.5 point pop. But I would be patient with it, and unless it kind of calms down, don't get too big on the size. Good luck.